So my light's been out since we moved in. That one, the one over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can see it?
Yep.
Okay, all right. Well, that's fluorescent lights. This is fluorescent lights. And I went to get LED lights and didn't realize it don't work because it's made for fluorescence and it has a ballast in here that switches it from, what is it, AC to DC or whatever?
That was just my guess.
Okay, anyways,
I don't really
it
know.
does something that makes LED lights not work. So we decided to come out here and take out the ballast where I can put these lights in that are LED, which actually helps with power and everything. So I'm gonna have one with a ballast and one with not. So yeah, here we go. All right, first thing you need to do when you're changing out, putting in LED lights and swapping out the ballast is, first thing you need to do is turn the power off. As you can see, the lights. Now the light you see is from outside because it is the afternoon here. Underneath this cover, this panel, is where we need to get to. It's just a cover that slips off, just like so. Alright, and here you see is the ballast. Now I am no electrician at all, not even close. I actually don't even like messing with power.
We should note that we turned the power off at the breaker before doing this.
Yes, the breaker is off because it scares the crap out of me. Alright, as you see, this is ballast. Some wires.
Wires.
Yep, lots of wires. Ground wire right here. And Phillips, I'm gonna go ahead and start with a ground wire. Take that off first. That way, we can move it to the side. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Pocket screw.
So apparently the ballast helps control and regulate the supplied current during different operating phases, and voltages for certain bulb types.
Sweet.
Which is not LED.
Alright. Now we're gonna go to the ballast. As you see, it's hooked in right here on one side and screwed in on the other.
Oh, there's only one screw?
Yeah.
Nice.
Screw
It looks
it.
like there could be more screws, but isn't.
Yeah. I mean, it's in there good, so see?
Wedgied right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Tap, tap, tap it in. Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna undo these. Put those in my pocket.
I messaged Davis.
Okay, cool.
He says we'll know
Sweet. Uh-oh. Alright, you got wire cutters?
Yep. Nice. We're just cutting the whole ballast out.
Yeah. We don't need it. I mean, it's
Isn't it
just...
antenna?
I don't think so.
What was it connected to?
It wasn't connected to anything. Oh, it was connected to the yellow.
Hmm.
Anyways,
We don't need it.
no. Hold up. Oh, actually, I need to cut these. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just cut it right here.
Trash. This is heavy trash. Push it over there.
It's very heavy trash.
I bet there's copper in here.
I think it can reach, actually. Oh no.
Well, it's connecting to these, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't need to reach.
True.
They reach each other, and these are coiled a little bit.
All right. All right, we got that spare wire.
Or what?
We're watching a YouTube on how to do this because, well, like I said, I don't like electricity, and I wanted to make sure I did this exactly right. And all I'm doing right now is splicing the lines. Is from what I understand, take the white to one side, the black to the other. That way they're flowing through, right?
Yep. And then ground it in the middle where it was.
Yeah. Pretty simple. The guy made it sound like the most complicated thing in the world, but hey.
And every time you
got
watch
those pliers?
a video on electrical, the wire colors are never the same.
Yeah. You'd think that would be like a universal thing, right? The colors all the same?
You would hope. Here's some. You need the other pliers.
Yeah. Plastic! Oh. Alright, and now we're just twisting. I'm gonna do a little twisty twist. I'm gonna keep all this extra wire, but basically we're just putting these together. And I'm gonna do it with pliers here in a second.
You need to shove in and twist.
Yeah, let me make sure it's good and tight. Get all tight right.
Yeah, right.
Hopefully I don't blow up the house.
If we do, it's insured, so.
Yeah. But I don't want to blow it up. We just got it. Alright. You got the little cap cap?
Cap.
Just cap it back. That way you don't have any exposed wires. Wires, like they'll do saying wires.
Wires.
I always never know when to stop with these because you can just go on forever tightening.
Hopefully it doesn't snap.
Yeah.
Look, if it's covered and it's
Yeah.
not coming off, we're good.
And this is all gonna be hidden by the ballast.
Cover.
Not ballast. Cover.
The plate.
All these technical jargon words. It's crazy.
I don't know how technical it is, but you know, it is jargon.
It is jargon. Or like in my profession, phraseology. Why? I don't know why it's phraseology. That's the technical way to say it. It sounds terrible.
Phraseology?
No,
That's phraseology?
I say phraseology. Everybody says phraseology, but technically it's. I had an instructor when I was in school. He said, "It's phraseology." I'm like, bro.
Okay,
True.
Mr. Phraseo.
Yeah, I looked it up. I don't remember, but supposedly, yeah, that's how it is. Phraseology. Sounds terrible.
Oh, look at how Wednesday's pronounced.
Yeah.
Or bologna.
But Bologna.
Bologna.
But yeah, all we're doing is, like I said, just stripping the wires. And I know this isn't really woodworking-esque, but it's for a wood shop. Lights are very essential to woodworking. If you don't have good lighting, you could screw up a lot of things. And you can also show a lot of your mistakes too, so you might not need the lighting, you know what I'm saying?
And
But
we need it for the filming.
yeah.
Before the light upgrade, it's hard to find good lighting in here.
Yeah, it is. But this is gonna be a big help. Actually, show them the lights that we put in.
Oh, the other hang lights?
I mean, it's kind of ghetto right now because we gotta put some covers, make it look all pretty. But I got them, the wires stapled, the lines stapled to the walls right now. God,
Is this out of the way?
this looks just like,
Dangerous.
yeah.
Don't cross the streams.
I know. I just feel like I'm doing something really sketch right now. But I am doing something really sketch. I'm messing with electricity. And if y'all have seen my other video, You know, I'm not very safety oriented when I should be. Sandals.
At least he has proper footwear on today.
Yeah, I have shoes on. I have to show the shoes. I got tennis shoes on. Alright. You got that cap? Or did? Yeah, let me see that cap. Sweet.
Nice.
There we go. Alright. And this was just screwed in
To the middle, where that bump
right
is.
there, right there. Yeah, okay.
You need a screwdriver.
And I have the screw in my pocket.
Pockets are good. They help us not lose things.
And it was the green one. Green for grounds. That's usually a common one for electricians and stuff. Is the grounds either bare or green. That's about the only common thing they have in.
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't touch any exposed wire.
There you go. Alright.
It's much hotter in here without the AC running.
It is. Yeah, it gets hot in here. I put a little window unit in.
We normally keep the door closed, but we need it for the light.
Alright. That actually looks not bad. Okay. Now we're going to put the cover back on. Hopefully that worked. Because I'm not going to try it without having the cover on. Because, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to see wires. No!
Is that the cat?
Yeah.
Darn. It's on your side. And it's hard to even say if you twisted too much or too little.
Yeah.
Good?
Good? Alright. Good.
Bulb.
Now bulbs.
These.
Now bulbs. You do one, I do other side?
Sure. Okay, and then twist.
Yep.
Connected.
Just. There you go. Alright. Now let's turn the power back on, see if this worked. I'll let you do the honors, sir. Can you reach it?
I can.
Nice. Oh yeah, we have power!
Wait. And no fire.
Nice. Holy crap, those are bright. Alright.
We're gonna get those stickers off.
So now, I'll show you guys,
Let's close the garage door.
yeah, the rest of our, this is all gonna be cleaned up. We're moving around some stuff. Christmas is coming. Oh, there's my little window unit right there. And here's our new lighting. I mean, these are the two old ones right here. That one wasn't working. It was just blown out fluorescent lights. This one was actually had fluorescent lights in it. We changed out the ballast on that one. This one still has ballast and it has fluorescence, as you can see.
And you can see the light difference.
Yeah, it's
It's a big difference.
definitely you really.
Much whiter light.
Yeah. Anyways, so we put in these, and I'm gonna put some covers on those wirings, and we also, if Dane, you want to show them the little flicky flick.
Oh yeah.
We
Now
got-
the box
And now we got a little light switch for them that's not way up there. And then we go over here and we put one up here. And the light switch for that one is just right here. But yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's it to the end of the video.
Yeah.
So, like and subscribe. It's not all gonna be lights and everything. It's gonna be actually woodwork and stuff. But
It's all going to be new, and it's all going to be a learning experience. And I mean, that was fun.
Yeah,
It was way less hard than I thought it was going to be.
yeah, I thought it was gonna be a lot harder than that. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Peace.